Today on Pampered Chef Recipes, I'm using the Deluxe Grill and Griddle to make my new summer favorite, Hibachi Grilled Shrimp with veggies and yum yum sauce. Stay tuned for a great recipe. To preheat your grill and griddle, set it on grill and then to 10 minutes and hit start. Prep your broccoli, onions, and carrots with a half tablespoon of oil and a little salt. To your peeled shrimp, you add sesame oil, soy sauce, and fresh ginger. Make sure your grill is set for the closed setting and then add your veggies to the grill. Don't forget to click the power button once you've added. After 2 minutes of no peeking, you open the grill and griddle all the way and then add your shrimp. Now is a good time to stir those veggies and get them over onto half of the griddle so that you can add your rice or quinoa. As you can see, the Deluxe Grill and Griddle makes this meal super easy and super fast to make. Once your starch is finished cooking, add that and the vegetables to a bowl and then add a serving of your shrimp. It tastes as good as it looks, I promise. The recipe for the yum yum sauce will be down in the description of this video. Enjoy!